Hello, Williams Philippines. It is Tuesday, October 7th, 2025. It's about 10:14 in the PM. Kind of late. Missed a couple days, sorry. And I forgot to pick my laundry up until yesterday. Yeah, it went in on Friday. I didn't pick it up until, Monday. Eh, I kind of wandered off. Went and found a little town called Rhonda. I liked the place. Uh, West side of Cebu Island, south about mm, half the way or so down the coast on that side from here in Cebu to the point, the bottom. So, but it's on the other side. So, it is what it is. And I enjoyed it. It's a little small town that, yeah, they had a little pier there that had some people fishing off the end of it. And I talked with them. Yeah, Rhonda's a nice little town. I might have to go back and do a little more looking. I have a bad habit of showing up on Sundays because Sunday's a good day to travel. I like it. Problem is, it's not a good day to get things done. Sunday is your days when people are taking time off. So you may not be able to find somebody to talk to about something. I might need to go there during the week. Just saying. Anyway, uh, yeah, I went and did a little bit of grocery shopping yesterday. Boy, I spent more money than I planned on, but I kind of expected to spend it. I got over and, oh, excuse me, hiccup. I got over and got my phone paid on both of them and my internet connection. Quick way to get rid of 3K. Yeah. And then I went to the grocery store and spent 23.50, 2,350 pesos. But let's see, 2,500, uh, less than around 40 bucks, less than 40 bucks. Yeah. But I got shrimp, I got pork, I got all kinds of veggies. And yeah, it was a good haul. Uh, I think that place actually has better prices than the other grocery store. It's just more complicated getting there. Takes two buses or whatever to get there. So, yeah, it is what it is, but that's okay. Uh, if I use the bus, it's about the same price as if I take and use the Maxim, the motorcycle in this case. Uh, Getting over there and then getting back here, uh, getting over there isn't so bad. Uh, I can catch a ride here, go all the way to Park Mall, and then Park Mall over to drop me right off at Pacific. I'm not sure where that same bus comes back. So I'm kind of confused, and I can either take that same bus or one other when it goes over to Park Mall and then come back here, or I can just take a Maxim and get back here faster. It's about 10 pesos difference. So not much in a way, but it saves a lot of time. And when you're toting a bunch of meat It might be a good idea to not waste time riding extra distance. Just saying. But that's okay. 10 pesos isn't going to kill me. I just trying to figure out the buses to do things faster. Uh, I found one that goes from IT to IT Park and from IT Park back right out here out front. I finally figured out how to get there, and that's kind of a has a main transfer area, kind of a for all the buses, and it carries you to a lot of different places. So, yeah, I'm trying to figure out where some of those buses are because getting back here can be a bit hectic. Trying to find the right bus coming back this way. I'm still having problems with that, but I found some of them getting it worked out. But down there to Rhonda and back, they have a one of the bigger buses that goes down that direction. And let me tell you, that bus driver is very good at driving. I would not even have tried on the little goat trail they put him on to detour around apparently something let loose. I didn't get to see exactly what it is, but they had us going through a goat trail. And I mean, I don't think the road was much wider than the bus. And yeah, we went around a corner and I watched the corner of a building pass by about 3 inches away for most of 10 feet. Yeah, he's good. He knows where his bus is. Uh, yeah, like I said, I would not even have tried it. I probably wouldn't have tried it with a smaller vehicle. Uh, but yeah, that was a goat trail. And believe me, I've taken a few cars down some goat trails that were interesting. I sure the hell wouldn't have tried to take a bus down this road. Yeah, I might have tried it with a car, but I would or a truck. I'd always take a truck with a truck. Pickup trucks are good about getting in and out of that kind of stuff. But yeah, I wouldn't have done a bus for nothing. Anyway, I got down there and I really did enjoy the place. Uh, they had rotisserie chicken for 280. It usually runs about 340, 350, 330. I think I found it once. Uh, yeah, but two, uh, yeah, 240 or 280. I forget which. I think it was 240. Anyway, it was cheap compared to up here, but it's way out in little bitty town. It's basically the connector of three roads that come in at different points on the city. And I enjoyed walking around it and getting out on the pier and talk to the guys who were catching. Well, they were fishing, but not catching. They were trying to catch. I hope they did. Uh, really made me want to get out there and start throwing a hook around. I need to get there. Yesterday, yeah, was groceries, and today has pretty much been I've been staying home cooking, and I've eaten a lot of good. Yeah, and I'm about to cook something else so I can have something before I give up the day. Uh, it's a good reason to do some stir fry. I just haven't decided whether it's going to be pork or chicken or oh beef because I've got all three of them. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to decide. But yeah, bought a whole bunch of veggies. You can see them here, uh, sitting over there, chopped up, ready to go. Yeah, doing my eating in today. Spent too much eating out yesterday, so I'm eating in today to cover the balance, and that's a good thing. Uh, let's see. I'm gonna try probably. I don't know. I may go to the doctor tomorrow afternoon, or I may just wait and go on Thursday and make sure they've got my results in. If I go Thursday, it probably won't be a problem at all. They'll have it. Go tomorrow, they may not have the results from my ultrasound on my leg Saturday. So we'll see. Probably go Thursday. Make tomorrow a eh, stay home and cook day. It's been a fairly hectic and busy. So take today and take tomorrow and just call it days to rest. That's a good thing. But then part of me wants to get out. Haven't decided if I want to go for a walk tomorrow or not. I may or may not. Today, not even. Didn't even think about it. Because some days you just need to call it a rest day. I think tomorrow will be partial. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. Your week's going good. Uh, I know that things seem to be getting a little bit more back to normal. The the college down the road here will be uh, starting back up next Monday. They're doing all the checks and such on the different schools and buildings because yeah, they want to double check, make sure those things are right because you got a bunch of kids up in school. Don't want to lose kids. Yeah, and kids need to be responsible. And yeah, heard Frank Zappa say something about that. You're responsible for the future, and if you don't do it, what future? It's basically what Frank Zappa was saying. A lot of people don't know Frank Zappa. Worth getting to run through some of his music and his interviews and opinions and such. Interesting man. Anyway, y'all have a good day. Williams, Philippines. Uh, you do you. Like, comment, subscribe. It's you. Make your choice. And hey, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and again, more food. This is Fish, and Fish is out.